What's up, guys? Might have a hard time hearing me, but I am at a new spot in a new creek under a very, very busy overpass. So it's a little loud. Lots of action under this bridge. Actually just lost a little bass. So we're gonna try to get in some fish. So let's do it. Fish, look at that on that first cast. It's a nice fish too. Look at that. Look at that. New spot. Got to be kind of careful because I did see a gator, so check that out. Choke that storm. Choke that storm swim bait. I bet there's some more up in there too. Ah, there we go. Nice, healthy, chunky little bass. Sweet. All right, let's back up. I bet there's more in there. That is awesome. There we go. Oh man, they might be stacked in there. Another bass. All right. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Sweet. Can we get 3? Can we get 3? I don't know. I don't know. All right, guys. So this is weird. Over by that pipe right there, I had a bite, set the hook, got snagged, went to retrieve my snag, and the fish broke me off because my line got frayed on that pillar. So we're gonna see if we can maybe luck out and get whatever that was to strike again. Without getting hung up this time. Dang leaf. What in the heck? This got broken off again. There we go. I got whatever it is. Finally. We're hooked up now with it. I think it's a big old bass. Sure is. Sure is. Got him. Got him, coach. Heck yeah, man. Whew. Look at that tank. Ah. God, that's a good fish. Got him on the nose. That is a nice, healthy bass right there. A little skinny. A little skinny. None of my lures are in his mouth, so that's a good thing, but that's awesome. That is awesome. Boy, he fought really good too. Woo. There we go. Something. What do we got? A little bluegill. Sure. Oh wow! Look at how beautiful that fish is. Jeez. Whoa, buddy. That's my first fish out of. That's my first fly fish out of the kayak. And look at this thing. Man, something's here we go. Here we go. Got us a nice little bass. Man, these fish fight so good under here. I don't think they've ever been caught. Oh, buddy. Come here now. Come here now. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy. Got him. Ate that fly too. Little white woolly bugger. Got it. Nice. We will take it. We will take it. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this episode. Had fun exploring a new spot. Throwing the fly rod out of the kayak, that was fun. Hadn't caught a fish on the fly rod out of a kayak before, so that was the first time, so that was fun. Now I've got a new spot on the list because this spot had some decent bass, which kind of surprised me. I had a hunch there might be some there, but there was, and that's good. No saltwater fish, which I was hoping for, but I think this spot has the potential when the tide's right. Tide was super low, so we'll definitely be back and see if we can get on some fish. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, take care, tight lines, and thank you for watching. Bayou Bass King signing off. Take care. Crab right here. What's so cool about this place? Look at that. Bass, and you got blue crabs. Look at that. Hey, 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 I need that back, bro.